Welcome to our session on using the Visualiser component of the Knowledge Management Suite. So the first thing we can see is that choosing which scope of ontologies to display. If we just have the public ones, we can see here the public ontologies available to be visualized. If we just have the shared ones, we see that there's one, and if we look at the private ones, then these are the private ontologies available. Public obviously means available to everybody. The private ones are only for your instance, and the shared ones are ones that have been made across a number of areas. So we choose the first one, and we say visualize the ontology, and we find that it comes up with a whole lot of floating balls. If we use the class distance slider and pull that in, we can see that things are a little more viewable, and we can pause, which will stop them floating around, and we can still move them around in any way we like. Don't be afraid to do any of these things, because nothing you do is going to break the ontology. It's just a visualization, so you're not actually changing the underlying fundamentals of the ontology. Click resume, and the thing starts moving around again. The other thing you can do is that we've got a few filters on here so that it keeps the screen a little bit uncluttered. If you want to view more stuff, you can click on that, and immediately you see what the result of that was. There's an enormous additional amount of information provided. Again, you can play with these and show anything that you like. You won't actually break anything. So that's the visualization screen. Thank you for listening.